We have a steering function thread that runs our code one time when the flag button is pressed. While a thread can be made longer by adding instructions or connecting multiple threads end to end, once the code runs out, the thread is dead. But the end of a thread can also be connected back to its beginning to create a loop. And a loop is what gives your code a heartbeat, by allowing you to repeat a set of instructions over and over. So we'll add a forever loop to our code to keep checking the left and right arrow keys as long as the game runs. To do that, click the Code tab, then click Control, drag the forever icon into the script workspace, place the if statements between the forever pincers, and then attach the forever loop to the when clicked icon. Now press the flag button to try it, and you'll see that it works. For more videos in this series, please subscribe to the DSU Education channel. Thank you.